Hi everyone. Welcome to this video, where we'll be discussing the top programming languages to learn in 2023. With the rapid advancement in technology, it's important to keep up with the latest developments in the programming world. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your skills, here are some of the most in-demand programming languages you should consider learning in 2023. Python. Python is a popular and versatile programming language that's widely used in various fields, including data science, machine learning, and web development. With its simple and easy-to-learn syntax, it's a great language for beginners. JavaScript. JavaScript is a must-know language for web development and is used to build dynamic, interactive websites. With the rise of JavaScript frameworks such as React and Angular, demand for JavaScript developers is higher than ever. Rust. Rust is a systems programming language that's gaining popularity for its performance, security, and memory safety. It's widely used in large-scale systems and game development. Kotlin. Kotlin is a cross-platform programming language that's used for developing Android applications. It's more concise and expressive than Java and has gained popularity among Android developers. Swift. Swift is a powerful and fast programming language that's widely used for iOS, iPadOS, and macOS app development. It's gaining popularity due to its clean and expressive syntax. So, there you have it, the top programming languages to learn in 2023. Of course, there are many other great programming languages out there, but these are the ones that are most in demand and offer the most opportunities for growth and advancement. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content.